Yes, I'm currently dealing with a strange setup because I'm trying to do my best to get everything on the air. See, like, hundreds down there. Focus, god dang it. 100, 120, 1 HH in my hand, and then the other one, which went off for WWG, 300, 400. We'll see what happens.
Normal lows range from the mid-30s over the Alleghenies to the low 40s across the lower Susquehanna Valley. Here are the 11 a.m. conditions in the Johnstown area. In Johnstown, it was sunny. The temperature was 54 degrees, the dew point 40, and the relative humidity 59%. The wind was west at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.07 inches and steady.
There we go. Fail on the 100. It's an unrecognized message.
Alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems.
Still was a fail.
Here's the hazardous weather outlook for the following counties.
Alright.
Cambria and Somerset.
This got the test.
The probability for widespread hazardous weather is low.
This guy obviously got it.
Now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday.
Yep, you saw that one.
Probability for widespread hazardous weather
But guess who said we're unrecognized message?